In this video, I'll show you how to convert an Excel file to PDF on your Android phone without using any website or additional software. First, open the Excel file you want to convert using the Excel app on your phone. Once the file is open, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Print. A print preview window will open. At the top, tap the Printer Selection drop-down menu and choose Save as PDF. Now tap the PDF or Save button. Next, choose the folder where you want to save the PDF file. You can also rename the file if needed. Once you're ready, tap Save. The Excel file will now be converted and saved as a PDF on your phone. To view it, open your File Manager app and navigate to the location where you saved the PDF. That's it. This is how you can convert an Excel file to PDF on any Android phone without using online tools or extra apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.